Now let us discuss a problem on collinear points. Okay, that is, question is, in each of the following find the value of k. So we have to find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So he has given that these 3 points are collinear. Okay, so as I told you, if area of the triangle becomes a 0, then we can say that it is collinear, right? Area of triangle is 0, right? So we will consider the points as 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1 and 3 comma k. Name those as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So now area of the triangle is given by half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is equals to 0. Why? Because the given points are collinear. Why we are equating it to 0? Because the given points are collinear. So let us substitute them. This implies 1 by 2 times of x1 is 7 into y2 is 1 minus k plus x2 is 5, y3 is k minus of minus 2 plus x3 is 3, y1 is minus 2 and y2 is minus 1. This is equals to 0. This will become 1 by 2 times of 7 into 1 is 7 minus 7 into k is 7k plus 5 into k is 5k. See here, minus into minus is plus. Okay, plus into plus is plus. 5 2 is 10 and last one we have 3 into minus 3 will become minus 9, right? Plus 3 minus 3 will become minus 9 is equals to 0. This implies 1 by 2 times of minus 7k and plus 5k will give you minus 2k. Okay, and next we are having plus 7 plus 10 will become plus 10 plus 7 will become 17. 17 minus 9 will give you plus 8 is equals to 0. After this, if I shift this 1 by 2, that's it will become minus 2k plus 8 is equals to 0, because it will become 2 by 1, 0 into anything will become 0. So I can write it as minus 2k plus 8 is equals to 0. From this, minus 2k is equals to minus 8. Both the sides minus gets cancelled and we are having k is equals to 8 by 2, which is equals to 4, right? 2 4s is 8. So therefore the value of k is 4. Okay, now let us see the one more problem on this. That is, the given points are 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4 and 2 comma minus 5, and given that they are collinear, right? That's why area of the triangle is equals to 0. So now let us name these points as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 and y3. So therefore area of the triangle is given by half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y2, y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equals to 0. Why we are equating it to 0? Because the points are collinear. Then this implies 1 by 2 times of x1 is 8 into y2 is minus 4 minus y3 is minus of minus 5 plus x2 is k and y3 is minus 5, y1 is minus 1 plus x3 is 2 and y1 is 1 minus of minus 4, that is y2, which is equals to 0 again. Then it implies 1 by 2 times of 8 into minus 4 plus 5 plus k into minus 6 plus 2 into 1 plus 4. Minus into minus will become plus 4 is equals to 0. This implies 1 by 2 times of 8 into 5 minus 4 is 1 plus into minus minus 6k plus 2 into 5 is equals to 0. Now this will become as 1 by 2 times of 8 minus 6k plus 10 is equals to 0. This implies 1 by 2 times of 18 minus 6k is equals to 0. Now if I shift this 1 by 2 that side, it will become 18 minus 6k is equals to 0, right? 0 into anything will become 0. From this, minus 6k is equals to minus 18, minus minus cancel, and 6 ones and 6 threes. So therefore we are left out with k is equals to 3.